Gold and silver both have seen a good drop yesterday, failing to go past the critical resistance zone on the upside. As I shared in my yesterday's analysis, both traded with a good drop, and precisely the level at 1698 on gold proven out to be a good support, as I shared yesterday. Now what is going to happen today, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver, and yes, the next analysis on gold will be up before the US cash session along with other markets also. And if you are interested into other instruments and commodities including oil, NG or Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE Germany, you can watch those analysis as well. Let's start the day with gold first. See, gold has got the support here at 1698 precisely. Now it is giving you lower highs, higher lows, trying to consolidate a bit. Any long entry in gold is above 1715. But yes, remember here is a little resistance here at 1718. I told you multiple times. 1715, 1780 zone, which was the support previously. Now it is going to be the resistance on the upside. Be watchful of this. Any move beyond 1718 will take it till towards 1727 levels. I will be cautious while taking a position. On the downside, yes, if it breaks below 1708, you can go short. But let's have a more detailed look. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is near to top. MACD has crossed over and it is wide divergent and bullish, indicating more bullishness in coming time frames. RSI is sloping upwards. If you look at the 2-hour charts, it is getting the support here, trying to swing a bit. See higher lows, and same time we must not forget that this is coming out of this consolidation on the 2-hour chart. The support here at 1708. With the support at 1708, you can stay long for 1715, 1718, and beyond that we may see a little rise. Be watchful of 1708. If it drops below this, you have to go short for 1705, and then below that we may see a little drop below 1700. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is trying to converge and crossover for a bullish move. RSI is also looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. On the 3-hour charts, this is trying to come out, and you can see this is the fourth green candle. The support here has been made, but be watchful as it can try to then I'll be suggestive that only short entry is below 1708. That is very clear. If you see it trading below 1708, go short, and one can expect a good drop, and then again it will try to act bearish, achieving 1700 and below levels. On the upside, 1715 and 1718 are a critical resistance level, so I will rather recommend you to go long only if you see it trading above 1718, if you want to be little bit, if you want to trade on a safer side. Else with the stop loss at 1708, you can still stay long, but 1718 should provide a definitely stronger resistance for the day. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge here and cross over for a bullish move. RSI is looking upwards on the 3-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see on the 4-hour charts what it is doing. Previous 3 candles, lower highs, higher lows. This candle is trying to break out, and that is what makes me say that yes, with the stop loss at 1708 you can stay long. However, the safer entry is above 1718. It means that even if you are long at 1708 or at these levels, it may rise till towards 1715, 1718, which are going to provide a stronger resistance. And a confirm entry above 1718 will try to bring it till towards 1724, 1727 levels. So I'll be watchful of this zone. See, previously this was the resistance zone, now it will support zone. Now this is going to be the resistance on the upside. Be watchful of this, and any drop below 1708, definitely that's a strong entry to go short. Directional movement is bearish on the 4-hour charts. Stochastic was at bottom, now looking upwards. If you look at the MACD, this was also bearish on the 4-hour charts, trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. RSI was near to bottom, looking upwards now. Similarly on the daily charts, on the daily charts, first observation was 1745 levels. I have consistently throughout this week told you 1745, be watchful. Yesterday I told you 1735, be watchful. Only if it trades above 1735 you can stay long. Also now look at this, the width of the Bollinger Bands has widened. The support here at 1690 is strong, 1690, 92 levels. You have to be cautious there. And see, on the downside, if you look at this, one observation that this is the green candle and this is followed with first red candle. So if it is strongly bullish here, it has to in fact surpass the previous highs of the yesterday's candle, then only considered as a strongly bullish move. Else what will it may try to do, it may try to create a wick out there. It may try to achieve 17, 20, 24 levels, it can come back till there, and then from there it can again push back on the downside, and this time the fall can be strong, which may bring it till towards 1690, 1680 levels. But here if you look at for the day, you have to yes, you can stay long for at stop loss at 1708, but be watchful that the resistance there on the 17, 15, 18 zone first target, and then 1724 is going to be strong. It can reverse from any of these levels, and beyond this, yes, 1727, 1732, 30 and 35 levels will come into picture. So critical point level for the day is 1708. That is very clear now. And if you look at the directional movement is bearish, stochastic is looking upwards, the MACD is wide divergent and bearish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is oversold, consistently trading oversold. It may try to come out of it. If not this week, then possibly next week. For the day, now it's clear that short entry below 1708, long entry above 1718. But if you want to still take a slightly riskier trade, you can trade with a stop loss, or you can be long with a stop loss at 1708, and you can expect 1718, 1724, 27 levels. But remember, 17, 15, 18 zone is going to provide a stronger resistance first time on this chart, and then the next level at 1724, it can reverse any point of time from these levels towards downside. So it may break again. If it is bearish, it can break again, and then it will break 1708 also, and below 1708, then this time it is going to take you below 1700 till towards 1692 levels. So take your trades accordingly and trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts, again coming out of this, lower highs have been seen, 1840 levels and 1850 levels provided it a resistance. Lower highs, lower lows are consistently shown here on the hourly charts. On the upside, it is clear that it is getting a resistance at 1850 levels now. Only if it breaks past 1850, I will recommend you to go long. Else, till the time it trades below 1850, you have to be cautious here. If you look at the directional movement is bearish, stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over on the hourly charts, which makes a case of bullishness here. RSI is near to bottom, now not oversold, it has come out of these levels. Look at the 2-hour charts, lower highs and then this drop. The support there on the downside at 1830, 1825 levels is going to be a good support. So for the first time, you have to be watchful for a long entry is only above 1850 levels. If it trades above 1850, go long. Else with the stop loss at 1850, probably we can expect it to drop till towards 1825. And below 1820, we may see strong bearishness. Directional movement is bearish, wide divergent. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is trying to converge. It is bearish right now. And RSI is near to oversold levels. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, one must observe, see this previous candle almost giving you negligible body size. At the same time, lower highs consistently in these 3 candles, now trying to trade with a drop. Be watchful of the next candle. It may try to take it below 1820, and then below that we may see a good drop. Directional movement is bearish here. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold, trying to come out. If you look at the MACD, this is wide and divergent. It is on the bearish side. RSI trading flat and then near to bottom. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, similarly 1850 providing a resistance. Lower highs are seen, but see, one green candle, 2 consolidation candle, and it may give you another green candle which can take it on the upside till towards 1860. Be cautious there. Directional movement is wide divergent and bearish. Stochastic is near to bottom there. The MACD is wide divergent and still bearish, and RSI near to bottom there. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you can find after this big red candle, see, this is the red candle after a greener candle. So this is, you can say, first red candle after the, or bearish move after a bullish move, and probably it can show you a red candle in succession, taking it till towards 1800, bouncing back from there. Only long entry today I'll recommend is above 1850 levels. Till the time it is 1850, I'll look forward to 1825, 1815 and 1800 levels. So with the stop loss at 1850, you can stay. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is comfortable. Looking downwards, and the MACD is already bearish, trading with the bearish bias. RSI is oversold. So yes, a reversal confirmation is only if it trades above 1850 levels, and the support at 1825 is strong, and hence I'll be cautious of 1825. If it breaks below 1825, we can expect it to drop for 1815 and 1800 levels. Till the time it trades above 1825 and 1815, I will not recommend you to trade. Only long entries above 1850 levels. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Do not overtrade. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn the art of reading the markets, reading the charts, you can join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. It is a 15 days session, 90 minutes daily, and 15th batch is going to get announced soon. Book your seats fast. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.